Commercial LPG prices in India have been increased by 42 rupees per 19 kg cylinder, pushing the cost to a record 3,113.50 rupees in Delhi. In Bengaluru, the price has risen to 3,198 rupees following a 46 rupees hike. At the same time, prices of 5 kg free trade LPG cylinders have also been increased by 11 rupees, taking the new rate to 821.50 rupees. On the aviation fuel front, aviation turbine fuel prices for domestic airlines have remained unchanged for the second consecutive month at 1,04,927.18 rupees per kiloliter, a level that has been steady since April. However, international airlines have received significant relief, with ATF prices reduced by 27% in line with easing global crude oil benchmarks. For overseas carriers, ATF prices have been cut by over $400 per kiloliter, bringing the rate down to around $1,100 per kiloliter from $1,511.86 in May. Earlier, prices had surged to $1,435.31 per kiloliter in April amid geopolitical tensions linked to the Iran conflict. State-run oil marketing companies have also highlighted that domestic ATF continues to be sold at a loss of around 30 rupees per litre or 30,000 rupees per kiloliter for suppliers to domestic airlines. Meanwhile, petrol and diesel prices remain unchanged after a previous hike of about 7.50 rupees per litre last month. In Delhi, petrol is priced at 102.12 rupees per litre and diesel at 95.20 rupees per litre. The Federation of Indian Airlines, which represents carriers such as Air India, Indigo and SpiceJet, has stated that the aviation sector is currently under extreme stress and has urged authorities to consider relief measures ahead of the next pricing cycle. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.